Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garnier Vitamin C Serum at night. First, begin your evening skincare routine by thoroughly cleansing your face. This crucial step removes all makeup, dirt, and impurities, creating a clean canvas for the serum. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type, then pat your face dry with a clean towel. This ensures maximum absorption of the serum. Now, let's apply the serum. Take 2 to 3 drops of the Garnier Vitamin C Serum and place them onto your fingertips. Gently pat the serum evenly across your face and neck. Remember to use a light, patting motion rather than rubbing vigorously. This technique helps the serum absorb effectively into your skin, delivering its brightening benefits where they are needed most. After applying the serum, give it a moment to work its magic. Allow the vitamin C serum to fully absorb into your skin for about 1 to 2 minutes. This brief pause ensures your skin can properly take in all the active ingredients. Next, apply your favorite night cream or a hydrating moisturizer. This final step seals in the serum and provides essential overnight hydration, boosting its effectiveness. For the best results, consistency is key. Make sure to use the Garnier Vitamin C Serum every single night as part of your regular skincare routine. Regular application helps to visibly brighten your skin, reduce the appearance of dark spots, and improve overall skin tone. With consistent use, you can look forward to a more radiant, even-toned, and healthier-looking complexion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.